Hey YouTube, just wanted to show you, I finally got my DJI Mini 3 Pro Edition. Never really flown a DJI. This is my first time and I actually tried it out, and I have to say the quality is phenomenal. I'm not really an expert when it comes to drones, so I decided in order for me to be, kind of give it a try and not have to worry about the expense if I crash it, I went ahead and I bought me this, it's a Ruko. It's called Ruko Pro. This thing comes with 2 batteries, nice packet, and I'll just walk you guys through it. But this thing costs like probably $300 with the 2 batteries, with the remote, and obviously charging cable and extra plates. Not bad for a first time drone. Definitely it's not comparable to the DJI. The gimbal, the camera, it's not really, it doesn't have like a gimbal feature where it's like very stable. So every time you move the drone, the camera moves with it, obviously. I will record some videos to kind of show you what it looks like compared to the DJI. Not bad for a first time. I highly recommend you buying this to try it out if you haven't really flown a drone. I'll put in the link below to buy it from Amazon. Overall, I think it costs like $300. I'll go ahead and open it up so you can see the difference here. I mean, you can see the size difference comparable to the DJI Mini. This is to protect the camera. You guys really can't. I apologize for the cameras that I have. I'm actually using 2 of my phones and just a regular video camera. So I don't have that much of a badass quality. So I do apologize in advance. But as you can see here, this is definitely, if you do fly it outdoors, you will probably just be careful with it, just because it is much heavier. And there are some FAA regulations that if it weighs more than, I forgot what it was like 0.55 pounds, then you have to register it with the FAA. So just be mindful. So with the battery. But enough about this. Let's talk about the DJI Mini. That's really where I was going to be here. But I'll show you also one other thing I forgot to show you. The Ruko. This is the controller for the Ruko. This is what it looks like. You put in your phone, handles, fly it out. As you can see, for the DJI, I went with this badass controller. Just as much easier so that I don't have to utilize my phone. Obviously, you don't have to buy this. This is a little bit pricey. But if you want to use your phone, you could still buy the old controller for the DJI, but I don't recommend it just because your phone will get overheated. And if someone calls you while you're in flight, you basically can't use your phone. So definitely this is all worth it. So let's go ahead and focus on our bad boy right here. This thing is tiny. I can't even explain to you. Here's my hand. I don't even have big hands, really. It's impressive how this little device could capture such image. Very light, and less than 249 grams. This is how you disconnect the battery. I'm not gonna go too much in details. I'm sure that you guys seen a lot of videos with all the specs. I just wanted to show you really the difference between those 2 drones. I'm gonna fly both of them, and I will record the videos, and you guys can compare and see what you guys think.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just give it up.